What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and we have a few deals I just want to tell you on this Sunday real quick. Now, generally on Sundays, Home Depot changes their prices. So I would encourage you to run out and browse your local Home Depots today if you have some time, just to see what new deals they have going on. But I wanted to let you guys know about this one. This one at my local Home Depot sold out in a day. This 81-piece DeWALT drill and screwdriver bit set. It's a really good set. It's kind of awkward. Like, it has this one spade bit. It has two long the PH2, and I don't remember exactly which Torx that is. Torx, but the thing that I like most about it is that it has these two adapters. Okay, so you can in essence turn your hammer drill, your impact driver into a little baby impact wrench. And I appreciate that. So I went on and bought this kit because the real big kit that they usually have during the holiday does not have that. And this was only $10.04, marked down from $19.88. Also, we had this Flex Auger, which was marked down from $52.58 to $14.02. Now, you can see they cleaned it out at my local, but just to show you what that looks like, let's go on over to the website. So here it is. Here's the Flex Auger, $52.58. Online, in store, it is $14. Now, let me tell you a little hack. Let's tell you a little thing you can do. If you check BrickSeek and still see that this thing is on clearance, what you can do if you really want it is buy it, have it shipped to you, and then take it back to the store, return, and rebuy it, right? And it'll ring up the new clearance price, and there you go, $14. But this is what it looks like, and I'll leave a link to this, and then you can go check it on BrickSeek on your own. Moving on over to eBay, we have some more deals now. Just to go back to the really tippy top here over at Tools Direct. Remember, it was 400 something items in there. The last video, I mentioned it, and now you guys cleaned that out. But it's still some decent deals to be had. If you want to try Milwaukee's little M12 speaker, this one is Bluetooth as opposed to that big M18 one. This is $80 with 30% off. And, of course, don't forget your Rakuten. If you're unfamiliar with Rakuten, it's a free cashback extension. Use the link in the description to sign up. You'll get a bonus $30 when you spend $30 on top of the 1%. There is, oh, snap. But if you've already gotten your Rakuten bonus, Retail Me Now normally doesn't do anything with eBay. I guess this is new, but they over at eBay now, and they offering 2% cashback. So if you got your Rakuten bonus, switch on over to Retail Me Not. All of them free to sign up, and they actually got a few coupon codes there too. So yeah, check them out. But let's go through this real quick just to see. They have this Ryobi shop vac. I'm not really fond of the shop vacs over with Ryobi. The vacuums are good, the stick vacuum, but the shop vacs I've been kind of disappointed in, at least the 40 volts. But they do have this jigsaws, brushes, $60 with 30% off, which makes this, what, $40? Crazy. They're like $42. We have this brad nailer. What is this? This is a brad nailer? I didn't even pay attention. This crown stapler for $99 with 30% off, so what, $60-something there. We also have quite a bit of Milwaukee heated jackets. Now, the reason why I have a video coming out where I did a comparison between the Milwaukees and a company called Venustas, and I was quite surprised. So that'll be released next week sometime. But the Milwaukee stuff, they run really large. So this is why you'll generally see this one. This one in particular runs really large. You can see how baggy the sleeves are too on this guy. It's not a great fit. They're really warm, but it's not a great fit. That's why you see Tools Direct with a lot of these. And I'm telling you, they're all brand new. They're going to all be brand new. People get them, try them on, and are disgusted by the size. Even if they like the jacket, they realize it's too big. So get a size down is what I recommend. So you see they got a bunch of extra larges, $129 with 30% off. What else do we have here? Another Milwaukee one. There you go there. $150 with 30% off. Remember, all the DeWALT items, they don't show pictures, so you need to go click the link and then look up the model number to see exactly what it is. Again, with this same baggy Milwaukee heated jacket, but a different size. And we also have this Ryobi 7¼ inch circular saw, $99, 30% off. Again, $60-something there. You have this blower kit, All right, with a high, it's like a, now it's not a high output battery, but a 4 amp hour battery. It's a decent one too, at 350 CFM, $89 with 30% off. So there are still deals to be had over here. Just keep in mind, this is the M18 job site radio I was talking about. This does not have Bluetooth. It's just a radio. You don't want that. You'll be disappointed. Moving on over to Amazon, we have some little accessories and knickknacks. But if you're getting any value from this video, please leave me a like this video, share it with your brethren. Maybe somebody could take advantage of that sweet $10 DeWALT deal at their local Home Depot. So make sure you share it in your group, share it with your family, share it with your coworkers, share it with everybody, share it on Facebook, wherever you at. Share the thing and subscribe so you don't miss any videos in the future. But we have this 5-pack brush power scrubber set for $6.95 with free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. Moving on over to Vevor. This is back down to $26.99. This multi-tool, I did a review on this. You can check it out in the upper right hand corner. It is the best multi-tool I've used for the money. For the money. It comes with these extra bits. It has a screwdriver on here that'll take these extra bits. In this case, it will hold the bits as well as the multi-tool. These blades up here, these wire cutter blades, are replaceable. So this whole thing is also serviceable on top of having a lot of different functions, which is what I like. A lot of these are throwaway. Once this dulls out, you got to get a new one. I like that this is not a throwaway tool at all. It is very much recyclable and reusable. So I like that. $26.99. You're not going to find a better deal. Just make sure you don't get the 16-in-1 for, I think this is, yeah, for $2 less. No, it's going to have a less feature, which is the screwdriver right here. So this is like a you'll see in the video, but this little screwdriver right here, this like it's a wrench. So this is like a 4-piece wrench right here. So don't get the other one. There you go. Moving on. Vevor also has air scrubbers on sale. $284.99 for the 550 CFM one. And just as a comparison, I wanted to show you guys on Amazon what the 550s are really going for. $497, $469, $549, okay? $497 again. These things are expensive, all right? And Vevor has one for $284. Also, Vevor has Rakuten as well. So if you didn't use Rakuten over there at eBay, you can use it over here at Vevor. They also have an 800 CFM model, which is still cheaper than all the other ones on Amazon at $550, $365. So there you have that. If you're not familiar with the air scrubber, this is something you use if you were redoing floors or something for things that kicked up a lot of dust. This would basically clean the air and absorb all that dust and just kind of it's not so much an air purifier, but I guess kind of it is. It's like a big air purifier basically. So there you go with that. Moving on, also we have this tire inflator. I've been seeing a lot of different tire inflators like this. I have never used this or any of these little battery operated ones, but I was going to try this and I wanted to let you guys know about it. $49. It's on sale, $15 off, so $35 there. I think this is a good entry level to get in there with a 20,000 milliamp hour battery. The biggest I've seen aside of that was like 12,000. Albeit if you look at it, it'll tell you that it refills kind of slow. Like the Vevor has one that refills from 80% to 100% on a 205/55 R16 tire, and it'll do it in less than 30 seconds. But I mean, that one's significantly more expensive. So $35, not a bad deal. I'm going to try that myself. Finally, going back to the Facebook group, Carrie Becker posted this 2 days ago. I'm a little late. These DeWALT lawnmowers, the DCM. I'm gonna just show you what it is. He got them for $212. Look, this thing was originally $549. Yes, dropped to $399. He got them for $212. Check out these reviews. These are real. I made reviews on this years ago. My Ryobi is still kicking, but I've gone through 2 of these, and my Ryobi was older than the DeWALT. I got the DeWALT 2 years after I got the Ryobi, and love the Ryobi, but again, that DeWALT, I don't know what their issue is. They just died. My first one just died. The switch up here, something was going on with it. The second one, it would work intermittently. It would work and then not work. And then it was weird. It was probably the same issue, the switch, and a lot of people had that issue. But the one I have now has been working pretty good. Knock on faux wood. and hopefully it stays that way. But it does come with two 10-amp-hour batteries, though. 212. That's your money right there. A rapid charger, and of course the lawnmower. So you could just keep those batteries and sell the lawnmowers tool only for like $80 on Facebook Marketplace. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. Again, if you got any value from this video, please like, subscribe so you don't miss anything in the future, and I will see you guys next time.